enough aid doesn't come, they won't be here in the next few weeks. They won't make it. Too many children, so malnourished, and then even if they make it through these next months with the winter coming and the destruction of the crops and the hard reality, I'm overwhelmed, but I don't even feel it's fair to say that because I'm not living this. So I just simply try to seek out and help. I really can't imagine what it feels like to be there. I see the very thought out, beyond this, to not only the emergency, but what to do, and all that it's going to take. And I'm here as a friend to Pakistan and the many warm friends and relationships I have here, and will continue to return. My heart is very, very much with people at this time.